Hello and welcome back to the channel. We've got a little update on our property here. They recently dug the utilities, both the water and the electric. You can see it going up there to the electric pole. And you can hear me being amazed by what I see. With the electric, they're also running some additional conduit for things like internet. Make sure we have that all ready to go. Made their way all the way over to our house here. Excellent progress. I got the new cabinets installed in the laundry room and got the cabinets installed in the bathroom. And they got the flooring all completed inside the shower area. Looking great. Can't wait for the countertops. And working on the cabinets in the kitchen. Gonna have a big island here in the middle. The contrasting color is going to be great. Getting there. Oh, let's take a look at the septic here. So I got the main holding tank here. Right next, deep underground. Deepish, rather. Start on the second part later on, probably the next day. Digging out for the leaching fields. Let's head back up. Working on that deck. Hopefully working on the landscaping here soon. But they gotta get all this stuff dug and buried first. Gonna try not to slip around. Boy. It's a thick pipe. Electric's going around the side and water's going to go through the front. What's up, Bubble? Yeah, looking good, looking good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. We'll keep you updated. See you next time.